ready to transform your ordinary clips into cinematic eye-watchers. Let's dive into making truly good edits on Capcut, starting right now. The foundation of any great edit is pacing, and in Capcut, this starts with your timeline. Don't just throw clips together. Think about the rhythm of your story. Trim your clips ruthlessly. Cut out any wasted space or awkward pauses. Aim for a tight, focused flow that keeps your viewers engaged. Transitions are your friends, but use them wisely. Simple cuts are often the most effective when you do use a transition. Choose one that complements the feel of your video, not distracts from it. Now, let's talk about color. Good color correction makes a huge difference. Go to color correction and experiment with the basic adjustments like brightness, contrast, and saturation. Even small tweaks can make your footage pop. Consider applying subtle filters that enhance the mood without making it look unnatural. Consistency is key. A circumflex euros. Try to maintain a similar color grade across your clips. Audio is often overlooked, but it's 50% of the experience. Don't rely on just raw audio. Head to the audio section to add background music that fits the vibe of your video. Adjust the volume of your music so it doesn't overpower your main audio, and add sound effects strategically. A circumflex euros. A well-placed sound can add emphasis and polish. Visual effects are where you can really get creative. Capcut offers a wealth of options, from glitch effects to subtle overlays. Think about how an effect can enhance your narrative or add a visual flourish. Use effects sparingly. Too many can make your video look chaotic. Focus on effects that add to the story, not detract from it. Explore the various categories and find what works for your style. By focusing on deliberate pacing, thoughtful color correction, impactful audio, and smart visual effects, you can elevate your Capcut edits from basic to brilliant. Experiment, practice, and have fun with it.